Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you how you can claim a $100 no deposit bonus. As you all know, this is a new year and we are all waiting for a brand opportunity for us to make money in this year 2026. So this is another beautiful opportunity for you to make money. If you know this is the first time of you coming across this channel, or you are already watching videos from this channel but you are yet to subscribe on this channel, please do well to subscribe on this channel. It is very important. Do well to subscribe on this channel. Very important. To get the link to this account, all you have to do is just click on the link that is in the description of this video to take you to my Telegram channel. Once you get there, as always, click on join. It is very important to join the channel. Joining the channel gives you more access to this video faster than people that have not joined the channel, and you get to have more update and information concerning any account that I drop. Do well to join the channel, and after joining the channel, then you can go ahead and now click. Showing on the screen is a withdrawal proof from this particular broker, as you can see, from this particular broker, and this person has been able to withdraw from this bonus. So I'll be showing you how you can claim this particular bonus. So make sure you follow me to the end of this video. You don't miss out on the details. Just follow me step by step on how you can get this bonus. At the end of the video, I'll also be telling you the terms and conditions that is applied in making withdrawals. So make sure you follow me to the end of this video so you don't miss out on the details I'll be giving you and the step by step guide on how you can withdraw and how you can claim this $100 no deposit bonus. If you know this is the first time of you coming across this channel, make sure you like, make sure you share, make sure you comment, and most importantly, you subscribe to this channel so you don't miss out on update I'll be dropping. So now, to get the link to the platform, to get the link to the bonus, all you have to do is just click on the link that is in the description of this video. It will take you to my Telegram channel. Once you get there, click on join and go ahead and click on the link to the bonus. Once you click on the link, it will bring you to this interface right here shown on the screen. As you can see, all we have to do is just create an account with them. So once we get to this interface, as you can see here, it's saying to log in into your account, but we don't have an account with them yet. So I'm going to be clicking on sign up, showing down at this part here. Clicking on sign up here to open an account with them for the first time. So here you click on sign up. And as you can see, these are the details that we are asked to put in to get the bonus. So you go ahead and put in your first name, last name, email, you create your password, put in your country of residence, accept to this age consent here, and you click on get started. So after clicking on get started, it will bring you right to this part. All you have to do is just click on submit here, choosing your it's just click on submit to take away this part here. As you can see, in order to continue with your trading account registration creation, please select your trading type, and of course we'll be clicking on standard. Click on it. You see standard, you see elite, you see demo, you see ENC. We're going on standard, and you click on proceed. And as you can see your account is pending KYC document. So now, to get the bonus, we have to upload our document, and as you can see, we have to upload the document to get the bonus. So we'll go ahead and uploading the documents. So to upload your document, all you have to do is just click on upload document right here, and as you can see shown on the screen, this is where we'll be uploading the documents. Here we have to put in the front and the back picture of our ID card or our driving license. So all you have to do is just click on select files, and you'll be putting in your document. So this is me after I've uploaded my document successfully. I dropped the back image and the front image of my national ID card, as you can see showing right here. So now we'll be waiting for the review and waiting for them to accept the KYC document. So guys, this is the message I got from them after my profile has been approved. As you can see, KYC approved. So here now we'll be moving to the next step, which is going to dashboard. That is here. So we'll be clicking on going to dashboard from here. This is the next interface. This is the next step that we'll be taking. So right now you have to just click on new live account. We'll be creating an account with them. Click on create. So after opening a live account, I went ahead to my MetaTrader 5 because they sent me my login details. So I went ahead to my MetaTrader 5 to log in. On getting there, I was not able to get the bonus. Meanwhile, the password you'll be using is the same as the password used while creating this account. That's the password you'll be using to get your bonus in your MetaTrader 5. So yeah, this is me after chatting the support up. If you know you are not able to get the bonus, you chat the support up. As you can see showing on the screen, I chatted the support up and they asked that what can they help me with. So I told them that I'm requesting for the $100, no deposit bonus, and I sent them the ID number they sent me. That's my MetaTrader 5 ID number. So I sent it to them and they were like, okay, it will be done in 15 minutes. And trust me, it didn't even take this 15 minutes before they were done with it, as you can see here. So I'll be heading to my MetaTrader 5 now to show you the details concerning this account. As you can see here, so this is to show that I've been able to get the $100 no deposit bonus. Start trading with it and can go ahead now and open a trade with it. As you can see, I can just open a new order just to show, for example, as you can see, and I'll click on buy here, and as you can see, done. So this is to show you that this account is a live account. See showing on the screen. So don't forget, if you're not able to get the live account, make sure you chat their support up and they will have it done almost immediately. As for the terms and conditions, as you can see showing on the screen, here is the terms and condition to withdraw your funds. The volume requirement, to withdraw the bonus or the initial deposit, you need to make transaction in the amount of divided by 4. For example, if you receive $200 bonus, you need to make a transaction of $200 divided by 4, 50 standard lot, only closed deal and considered. So the withdrawal conditions, the withdrawal can only be made when the complete required volume has been traded. If the original deposit is removed, the bonus is lost. As you can see the screen, these are all the terms and conditions showing. So make sure you read it carefully so you can know exactly what this is talking about. I will also be dropping this particular terms and conditions on my Telegram channel. Thank you for watching this video, and also do not forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to this channel, and expect more videos on Forex and deposit bonus, free forex account, prop firms, how you can make money online in 2025.